Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I brush my teeth now. I brush my teeth now. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I eat my simple breakfast. I eat my simple breakfast. I wear my clean clothes. I wear my clean clothes. I lock my house door. I lock my house door. I walk to the busy market. I walk to the busy market. I buy some fresh food. I make a hot cup of tea. I make a hot cup of tea. I sit on my wooden chair. I sit on my wooden chair. I read a small storybook. I read a small storybook. I clean my room now. I clean my room now. I open the glass window. I open the glass window. I water my small balcony plants. I water my small balcony plants. I cook a simple lunch. I cook a simple lunch. I slice a sweet, ripe banana. I slice a sweet, ripe banana. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I turn on the bathroom tap. I turn on the bathroom tap. I wash my hands now. I wash my hands now. I boil a small white egg. I boil a small white egg. I eat my warm breakfast. I eat my warm breakfast. I fold my dry blanket. I fold my dry blanket. I lock the front door. I lock the front door. I check my phone now. I check my phone now. I water my small plants. I water my small plants. I clean my dining table. I clean my dining table. I turn off my bedroom light. I turn off my bed. I turn off the kitchen gas stove. I turn off the kitchen gas stove. I comb my gray hair now. I comb my gray hair now. I fold my dry trousers neatly. I fold my dry trousers neatly. I select a clean blue pen. I select a clean blue pen. I drop a coin inside the box. I drop a coin inside the box. I pour cold water into a glass. I pour cold water into a glass. I check the expiry date on the bread packet. I check the expiry date on the bread packet. I wipe my dusty laptop screen. I wipe my dusty laptop. I turn on the room fan because it is hot. I turn on the room fan because it is hot. I boil some raw milk in a deep pan. I boil some raw milk in a deep pan. I slice a sweet green guava for my brother. I slice a sweet green guava for my brother. I hang my black umbrella on the wall hook. I hang my black umbrella on the wall hook. I pour hot water into a white mug. I pour hot water into a white mug. I wipe the dust off the television screen. I wipe the dust off the television screen. I lock the wooden drawer to keep money safe. I lock the wooden drawer to keep money. I pack my plastic water bottle inside the travel bag. I pack my plastic water bottle inside the travel bag. I turn off the balcony light before going to bed. I turn off the room fan now. I turn off the room fan now. I boil some clean water. I boil some clean water. I pack my black shoes inside the bag. I pack my black shoes inside the bag. I buy an entry ticket for the zoo. I buy an entry ticket for the zoo. I select a ripe yellow banana. I select a ripe yellow banana. I tie my black shoelaces tightly. I count the concrete stairs. I count the concrete stairs. I apply a soft skin cream. I apply a soft skin cream. I wear a clean formal shirt. I wear a clean formal shirt. I take a short walk now. I take a short walk now. I answer a phone call smoothly. I answer a phone call smoothly. I carry a heavy shopping bag. I carry a heavy shopping bag. I feed my hungry pet cat. I feed my hungry pet cat. I scratch my friendly street dog. I scratch my friendly street dog. I set a loud sound alarm. I peel a fresh orange. I peel a fresh orange. I attend the morning school. I attend the morning school. I keep this red apple. keep this red apple. I hang my brown cardigan. I hang my brown cardigan. I lock the bicycle wheel. I lock the bicycle wheel. I close the wooden door. I close the wooden door. I paint the white wall. I paint the white wall. I search for my shoes. I search for my shoes. I wipe my wet face. I wipe my wet face. I slice a yellow pineapple. I slice a yellow pineapple. I count my paper bills now. I count my paper bills now. I throw a red flying disc. I throw a red flying disc. I apply some cooling ice. I apply some cooling ice. I open my dark green umbrella. I open my dark green umbrella. I look at the beautiful sky. I look at the beautiful sky. I put the heavy books away. I put the heavy books away. I sit near the window frame. I sit near the window frame. I close the large window shutters. I close the large